Private. The pathogen has killed more than 100 million worldwide.
It's working.
The cure is real.
You gave us back our future.
They're putting something in the doses?
What are you saying? If you don't stop them, no one will. What did I do?
The supplies have reached every continental hub, with officials assuring the public of a full rollout within weeks.
They haven't shown anyone the source code for the dosing units. Not one independent lab has
If you're
seen
right,
it.
what are they really giving?
Doesn't add up, Gabriel. The shipments keep doubling even though the numbers are falling.
You're right to be suspicious. I've seen the contracts. Someone's using your serum as cover for something else.
And if I bring this forward?
They'll bury me, and you with me.
Which is why...
You're not the only one they fooled.
But you are the one they trust. That gives us a chance.
A chance to do what?
To show the world what they're hiding.
We'll need proof and allies. Once this upload goes live, there is no going back.
Then we make it count.